I'm so happy. Today is Wednesday, it's farmer's market day, and I need to get some fresh fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to take you with me to the Napili Farmer's Market here in Maui. So let's go. Our own fresh tahini, macadamia nut butters, nuts, Maui honey, great fresh breads I love. Oh, look at that color of cauliflower. It looks incredible. So many wonderful fruits and vegetables, fresh, all local, grown here in Maui. All right, so this is the abundance of fruits and vegetables I got. Look at all these beautiful colors of the rainbow. We've got the beautiful red of the Kula strawberries. My kids love these. And we've got the orange and yellow of the papaya and the bananas. Beautiful big carrots today. And then I always love to get all the greens. Some broccoli, cucumbers, green bell pepper. My daughter loves green beans, so I had to get those. Some sunflower sprouts, zucchini. I'm a huge fan of cilantro. I put that in most of my dishes. I know some people don't like cilantro, but any herbs are great. They have basil and mint as well. Variety of potatoes, avocado, and some eggplant. For the purple, I love to roast that. So yeah, I got all kinds of amazing fruits and vegetables to inspire some great meals and snacks for the next 3 or 4 days. So I look forward to sharing with you what I end up making. It's starting with one of my favorites, avocado toast, using the greens, the cucumber, and also the fresh baked bread from there. Also, another go-to are lettuce wraps. Now, this is some of the roasted potatoes I had with the broccoli over cauliflower rice. I also made a yummy sushi bowl with avocado, cucumber, and carrots. Wonderful roasted eggplant. This is some rye crackers with hummus spread, cucumber, cilantro, and a side salad. And then finishing off with that luscious papaya and banana. And then I do believe I even squeezed some lime and lemon on it, which just really made it pop. So now it's your turn to go to your local farmer's market or even to your grocery store and fill your basket with lots of wonderful fruits and vegetables that are in season, that look vibrant and calling out to you, and allow that to inspire your next week's meals. Thank you so much for joining me, and for more health tips and ways to continue to shine through all your ages and seasons of life, like and subscribe. Until next time.